Hey everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm back with another video. This time we're going to dye my hair all black. My last video I was trying to get the color out, but now I'm just dyeing it all. We're going to do natural black, Crème of Nature, number C11. I'm going to take my shea butter and then I'm going to line my hairline and then get my ears. Now with this, I'm not doing my whole head, I'm just mostly focusing on the ends. But if I were to do my whole head, I would definitely make sure I get all of my ear, because it seems like every time I dye my full head of hair, a lot of the dye stains my ears. So if you don't have those little plastic ear coverings, definitely make sure your full ear is covered. I would usually use Vaseline, but I don't have that, so we're just doing this. And I recommend you not having earrings on. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now, is just lining everything so I don't have like dye stain on my forehead or my ears or the back of my neck. So my last video, I was showing you how to try and get rid of the hair color, but I already knew I wasn't going to keep it this color. I was going to dye it. So that's what this one's for. I went ahead and parted my hair in 4 sections, like you normally do if you were dyeing your hair. And then I'm going to mix everything together in the bottle. So it came with bottle 1, bottle 2, and then the packet 3, which was a conditioner. This one is a 20 volume developer. And then you're going to take bottle 2 and put it into bottle 1 and then shake it up. And of course it comes with gloves that I never use and the instructions. So now, like I said, we're going to clip off the top, take bottle 2, insert it into bottle 1, and shakety shake. Now my hair is already parted in 4s, but we're going to take about medium-sized pieces of each section and go ahead and put it on. And then I'm going to take my comb and comb it through to make sure every strand gets dyed. And like I said, as you can see, I'm mostly focusing on the ends because that's what I want covered the most. Alright, so when I'm done doing all that, I'm going to leave it on for 25 minutes. If you want to get the grays out, it says to leave it on for 30. And then I'm going to take the packet number 3, put it through my hair. I'm going to comb it, make sure it's detangled, and leave it on for 2 minutes. This is what it's looking like. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.